Today, we are diving into one of the oldest and honestly, one of the most powerful ideas in trading, trend following. It's a strategy that's not about predicting the future, but all about reacting intelligently to what's happening right now. Let's get into it. So, have you ever been there, staring at a chart trying to nail the exact top or the absolute bottom? It's completely stressful, right? It's a game of second guessing that can drive you crazy. But what if there's a totally different way to play? And this quote right here, this is the entire mindset shift. Trend following isn't about being a crystal ball gazing genius. Nope. It's about spotting a powerful move that's already underway and just writing it. You're aiming to capture that big, juicy metal part of the trend. It changes everything. So here's our game plan. First, we'll get into the philosophy of riding the market's wave. Then, we'll open up the toolkit that traders use to actually do it. We'll also talk about the real dangers, because there are some, and we'll wrap up by looking at how modern tech gives traders a serious edge. All right, first up, let's really dig into this core idea. This is about retraining your brain. You have to unlearn that constant itch to predict, and instead learn the skill of just aligning with the market. You start seeing the market not as an enemy to be beaten, but as a powerful current to swim with. So here's the official definition, and it's pretty simple. A trend follower works from one basic belief. Once a trend gets going, it's more likely to keep going than it is to suddenly reverse. That's it. The entire game is about getting your trades in sync with that momentum. And you've definitely heard this old saying, right? The trend is your friend. Think about it like you're a surfer. A surfer doesn't try to predict where the perfect wave will form. They just watch, they see a big, powerful wave building, and then they paddle like crazy to get in sync with its energy. A trend follower is doing the exact same thing, but with the market's energy. So this all boils down to a few key principles. You align with the market, you never, ever fight it. You have to be patient and wait for clear confirmation, you don't jump the gun. And you can see how this whole approach really rewards consistency over just gut feelings. It's all about reacting to what is, not predicting what might be. Okay, so let's get practical. How does a trader actually spot a trend out in the wild? What are these clear signals we're talking about? It's time to open up the Trend Followers Toolbox and see what's inside. These are some of the heavy hitters. You've got things like moving averages, which are great for smoothing out all the noisy price action to see the real direction. Then there's the MACD, which measures the momentum of a trend, and the ADX, which is designed to tell you how strong that trend is. They're all just different ways of answering that one crucial question. Is there a real powerful move happening here? Now, take the moving average crossover. It's a classic for a reason. When you see a faster, short-term price average climb up and cross above a slower long-term one, that's a potential signal that the momentum is shifting up. That could be your buy signal. And of course, the exact opposite is true for a sell signal. Simple, but really powerful. But just having a direction isn't always enough. I mean, what if the market's just chopping around sideways with no real conviction? That's a great way to lose money. That's where volatility filters come into play. Tools like Bollinger bands or the average true range, the ATR, help you see if there's enough oomph behind a move to make it worth the risk. It's all about staying on the sidelines when the market is just messy. Okay, this all sounds pretty good, I know, but let's get real for a second. There's no such thing as a perfect strategy that works 100% of the time. Trend following has its own set of dangers, and honestly, your success is going to depend entirely on how well you manage them. It really all comes down to two big hurdles. First, there's timing. You jump in too late, you've missed most of the move. You jump in too early and, oops, it wasn't a real trend after all, and it reverses right on you. And that leads to the second one, false signals. The market fakes you out. It looks like a trend is starting, but then it just fizzles. These two are the twin demons every trend follower has to fight. So, how do you fight them? Well, it's not about finding some magical, perfect indicator. The answer is something way more important: ironclad, disciplined risk management. This right here is what separates the pros from the amateurs in this game. And here's what that process looks like. 1, you always know where you're getting out before you even get in. That's your protective stop. 2, as the trade goes your way, you move that stop up to lock in some of your gains. And 3, and this is the hardest part psychologically, you have to let your winners run. You fight that urge to just take the quick profit, and you stay in the trade until the market proves to you that the trend is actually over. That's where the real money is made. Okay, so we have this timeless strategy, but we are living and trading in incredibly fast modern markets. So, how has trend following evolved? Let's take a look at the modern trader's edge. Exactly. I mean, with trading algorithms making moves in microseconds, how can any human possibly keep track of all these indicators, manage all that risk, and dodge false signals in real time? The answer, of course, is that you use technology to do the heavy lifting for you. And this is where technology becomes your co-pilot. Modern platforms aren't about replacing your brain, they're about empowering it with clear data faster. They automate all the scanning and the number crunching, which frees you up to focus on the actual strategy. The tool mentioned here, TradeGlass, is a perfect example of this evolution in action. So what do these modern tools really do? Well, instead of you staring at 5 different charts, they can integrate all those metrics to spot trend confirmations way faster. They can use smart weighting to help filter out those annoying false signals in choppy markets. And crucially, they can be dynamic. They understand that some tools work better in certain market conditions than others, and they adjust. It's a huge advantage. So let's bring this all together. After talking about the philosophy, the tools, the risks, and the modern edge, we end up right back where we started. The goal was never, ever about predicting the future. It's about building a solid system that lets you react to the present with intelligence and with discipline. And at the end of the day, success here has less to do with which indicators you pick and more to do with you. It takes patience to wait for that perfect setup. It takes emotional control to not freak out when the market pulls back a little. It takes a methodical approach. And most of all, it takes the discipline to stick to your rules day in and day out. And that really is the final question, isn't it? The market is always going to have momentum. There will always be big, powerful trends. The only question you have to ask yourself is, do you have the discipline to build a system and follow it?